Front entrance, covered driveway, yeah. We are doing a room walkthrough. They have a hair dryer. We've got the granite countertops, it looks like. Basic faucet. Comes with shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, 2 bars of soap. Comes with some fluffed up tissues. We've got 1 roll of tissue there, 1 roll of tissue there. Elongated toilet, good for the big people. Also has rolled towels. Looks like it has 3 large towels, 4 large towels. It also has a couple of washcloths. Looks like they made a little design for us here, as well as here. This one is a half body towel, it's not a whole towel. They twisted up the curtains like this. It has a pretty high shower head with multiple settings on it, which is pretty nice. Has a slip bar so that you make sure you don't fall in the shower, as well as a nice shower place for your soap, and has a regular size tub that is about 8 to 10 inches of water in your regular size tub, so it's not a deep garden tub. In their rooms, they do not include a safe. When walking in, you have a place for your coat to hang up. There is a mirrored glass door. Inside, it has an extra blanket, iron, couple of hangers, bag for your clothes, also a full-size ironing board, and a bag rack to be able to fold out and put your bag so you can open it up and unpack. Comes with a thermostat, which you can turn on your heat and cold. The room is equipped with the sprinklers. Looks like their lighting is a little bit loose there. See if we can fix it for them. It's got nice angled lamps, some art, a little table. I would say probably to put your bag on because that's too low to be a desk. Comes with a microwave, a refrigerator. On top, it has little mustache cups for your coffee. And it has an ice bucket. And it looks like they're trying to do a lot of flair here, make it look pretty. There is a small commercial coffee maker with, what do we got? Regular coffee. Regular coffee. What else we got in there? Decaf and decaf. So you have 2 decafs, 2 regular coffees. You got 2, 4, 6, 8 coffee cups, and also have some sugar and creamer. Looks like we have a small, like maybe 32 inch TV. It's not a plasma. It looks like maybe a plasma. It's not an LED TV. Remote. Comes with the guide. Has a decent dresser here. The drawers are pretty flimsy. On a basic track. all particle board. Has a desk with a pretty nice desk chair. That's nice. And the lamps have the charging adapters here so that you can go ahead and plug it in. The desk has a drawer that's kind of wobbly there. Standard AC for hotels. Overlooking the pool. Pool's pretty nice. Faces out to the parking lot and the road though, so everyone can see you swimming. We have another piece of art, a chair to sit in the corner of the room, 2 queen-size beds. It is innerspring mattresses and they're not very soft. Has a basic duvet and sheet set. The pillows feel like goose down pillows, soft and firm, so you have 2 firm and 2 soft on each. Okay, and on the nightstand it has a double lamp here. It has a switch for both sides. Also has an alarm clock, which everyone hates. Basic phone, and it has a charging port, which is pretty awesome, that has a plug on either side, one for everyone to charge, and it also has the USB chargers, one for tablet. All right, so we have a charging port here. It's got a plug on either side for your standard plugs. It also has a tablet port, which is probably like 2.2 amps, and then it's got a standard port on the other side with 1.1 amps. In the drawer, you got your Holy Bible, of course, from the Gideons, and all your Disney stuff that you should know. All right, getting things prepped for the coffee maker. You get out your coffee. It comes in a little, almost like, comes in like a little, almost like tea bag. Okay, they have a little disposable tray here. You put your tea bag in the disposable tray, just like so. You slide it into the top. Like so. You take a cup of water, you fill it up to the desired amount that you want. You flip the top. It's got some instructions there on the top. Take your coffee or your water that's going to be made coffee. Okay. You close your top, put your coffee cup under, plug it in, and then when you're ready, you just press this down to start, and it creates your cup of coffee. So if you notice here, the mirror is completely fogged up, the door is open, and the fan is on. So the ventilation for the fan is not very good. And yeah, if you notice, the roof gets really, really wet because this is not really close to the roof, so it actually splatters out on people if they're on the toilet, and it gets all over the roof, and you see the light fixtures hanging down a little bit, so it can have access to the electrical, which could be really safe. The mixing valve is not fully functional, so you have to get way up here to even start it, but when you turn it on, you have no cold water. It's all warm or extremely hot. This one with the 3 setting is the only feature that has good water pressure. If you see this one all the way on the end, it just dribbles right out. So it's definitely not the greatest water pressure.